Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tips of the Day. This is episode 3 of my series on how to code in C language. In this episode, I'm going to teach you all about variables and how they work in C. I'm going to talk about syntax, how to print variables, and their format specifiers. Let's open VS Code and why don't we get started? There are 4 types of different variables that you can use in C. The first one is integers, the second one is floats, and the third one is double, and the last one is character. First up, let's create an integer. To create an integer, you would use int. Let's say you can pick any name you want. For example, var1 equals any value, for example 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, anything. For floats, you would do float var2 equals 5.6234 to any decimal digit. But keep in mind, floats can only have up to 7 decimal digits. And doubles, you do double var3 equals 7.543232. Doubles can have up to 15 decimal digits. And always remember to put semicolons at the end of your code and every line. And lastly, for characters, it would be character var4 equals A, or any letter, B, C, or D. I'm not so sure why. Oh, I spelled it wrong. It's spelled D-O-U-B-L-E. Okay. These are how to create variables. So integers are used for numbers without any numerical value without a decimal. Floats are used for numbers with decimals with up to 7 decimal digits. And doubles are used for numbers with up to 15 decimal digits. And characters are used for numbers with up to characters are used for letters, like single letters. To print variables, you need to specify the format. For example, for integer, it would be printf quotation mark %d, and then you can do comma var1. And for float, print f quotation marks %f comma var2. And for doubles, print f quotation marks %lf comma var3. And lastly but not least, characters is of course always printf and C this time, comma var4. That's how you could print variables. If I compile a program and run it, as you can see, it prints out the variables. This is the integer, this is the float, and lastly this is the double, and this is the character. To format the printing a bit, we can type some text or new lines and spaces and stuff in between the quotation mark. For example, like the %d, %f, %lf, and %c are all placeholders for the variable. For example, we can do integer colon and /n, which indicates new line, and then float colon /n and double colon /n. And lastly, character colon /n. Now we compile our program and run it once again. As you can see, it runs hello world. Let me go back to script. This is the hello world, and then integer colon 5 was over here, and for float's over here, and the %f is what placeholds for the variable, and double as well, and character. That's all I have for this video, but please don't forget, I appreciate you watching this video. If you watched till the end and you like this video and you want to support me, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching!